In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to segment your list in AWeber. Segmentation helps you send the right message to the right people, which boosts engagement and reduces unsubscribes. We'll keep it simple and precise, following a clear path from finding your subscribers to saving a reusable segment you can target later. First, open your AWeber account and go to the Subscribers tab in the main menu. This is where you can view and manage the people on your list. Take a second to confirm you're looking at the correct list if you manage more than one. Seeing the right list here ensures your segment pulls the intended contacts. Next, define your filter criteria. In the subscribers view, click the search options to open the set of filters you can apply. You'll see choices like tag, link clicked, and date subscribed. These criteria let you hone in on exactly who you want to reach. For example, choose tag, then select is, and enter the specific tag you've been using, such as webinar registered or customer. This will pull every subscriber who has that exact tag. If you want to focus on engagement, select link clicked and choose the link associated with a particular broadcast or campaign. If your goal is to target newcomers or longtime subscribers, pick date subscribed and set the date range that matters to you. You can refine your audience even more by using the plus sign to add multiple conditions. This works as an and filter, which means every condition you add must be true for a subscriber to appear. For instance, you might set tag as customer and then add link clicked for a specific product link. With and logic, only subscribers who are customers and also clicked that link will show up. This is ideal for creating highly relevant groups. When your criteria are set, click search to apply the filters. Give the results a quick scan to make sure the count looks reasonable and aligns with your expectations. If something seems off, review your criteria and confirm the tag names or dates are correct. Finally, save your work so you can reuse it anytime. In the Save Search as Segment field, type a clear descriptive name, such as Customers, Clicked Pricing, Q1, then click Save. This creates a segment you can instantly select the next time you want to target this group. That's it. You've navigated to your subscribers, defined precise filters, applied them, and saved the results as a named segment. With this approach, your messaging becomes more targeted, more timely, and far more effective.